Hello everyone. I hope all of you are fine and you are taking good care of your health. Today we are going to start new chapter integers. As all of you know about natural numbers. As we have done in the last chapter, we know about the natural number. Natural numbers are actually counting numbers. Yes, counting starts from 1. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. And we have introduced about whole numbers also. So what are whole numbers? Yes, whole numbers starts from 0. Now, question arises, do we need other numbers too? Is there any need for that? So we are thinking about it. Let's see. Do we need other numbers also? Now, what about the temperature in Ladakh in winters? Yes, it goes down. It goes below 0 degrees C. You can see this thermometer. Now, this red mark is at this -2 degrees C. It is written -2. When you were talking about above 0, there were all positive numbers. But here, when temperature goes below 0, we are representing it as minus with minus sign. So, here this thermometer is representing -2 where temperature is negative. It goes below 0. And what is 0? All of you know 0 degrees C is freezing point. Now you can see this figure. See the aeroplane. Height of the aeroplane is above 5000 meter. And what about this submarine? It is not above the water. It is below. It is under the water. So I have marked 0 here. So 0 is our reference point. Whatever I am discussing, I am taking 0 as baseline. I am taking 0 as reference point. I am comparing all the numbers with 0. As you can see here, aeroplane is flying above 0, above height of 0 meter. I am taking it as sea level as 0 meter. So above 0, aeroplane is flying at 5000 meter. You cannot say submarine is in the water in 1200 meter because it is under the water, it is below 0. So I will mention it with negative sign. So I will write aeroplane is at height 5000 meter as I have written here plus 5000. Why I am writing plus? Because I am taking 0 as reference point. We are comparing with 0. 0 is at sea level and we are talking above. Above means plus. Plus 5000 and submarine is below sea level means below sea level means below 0. Below 0, how will I distinguish both the numbers? So I will put minus 1200. It is minus 1200 meter. So always you have to keep in mind positive numbers are greater than 0. And from this number line you are saying as the submarine is below sea level, we are talking about minus 1200. Below means you will represent any number with negative sign and that number would be less than 0. As you can see the position of this dolphin, it is going up and down, taking the position of 40, minus 30. Now it is reached at 80. Now going down, reached at minus 40. So when it is going down, we are taking numbers negative, and when it is going up, we are taking numbers as positive numbers. Now we know about the numbers which are negative. So what are these negative numbers? So we are saying that these are integers. What are integers? It is a collection of whole numbers and negative numbers. For example, -1, -2, -3 and -4. And in this set, I am taking 0, 1, 2, so on. Both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, both are endless. There are endless numbers. As you can see here, I have included 0 here. So means I am talking about whole numbers. And I am talking about all the natural numbers also. So when you are taking negative numbers into consideration, means we are talking about integers. We have two types of integers: positive integers and negative integers. As you can identify from this set also, when you don't have any sign with the numbers, then you will say these are positive. It is understood that no sign with the number means positive signs. So these are positive integers. And whenever you will get negative sign with any number, you will say these are negative integers. As you can see the example here, positive integers are 1, 2, 3, so on. And negative integers are -1, -2, -3, so on. Now you are thinking, ma'am, where is 0? Yes, 0 is a special number. It is neither positive integer nor negative integer. Now our next topic is, how will you represent these integers on number line? As we were discussing earlier, on number line you represent all the numbers at equal distance. Same here, I will represent all the numbers, but I will introduce now negative integers also. As 0 will come in between, positive numbers would be on right side of 0 and negative integers would be on left side of 0. As it is mentioned here, 0 is neither positive nor negative. Positive integers are on the right and negative integers are on left. Observe observe this pattern. We are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Means I am writing all the positive integers in increasing order. Now what about negative integers? -1, -2, -3, -4. How are we writing? These are not in increasing order. These are in decreasing order. What is the meaning of this? Decreasing order. As you can see here, when I am taking example of positive integer, you will say 2 is less than 4. I am writing it is increasing order, so I can say 2 is less than 4. It is correct. But what about -2 and -4? Be careful. In this case, whenever you have negative sign with the numbers, you will arrange in decreasing order. As in this, I have arranged in decreasing order. So I will write -4 is less than -2. As I have taken example of -4 and -3, and another example is of 4 and 3. 4 is greater than 3. We all know. Now new concept for you. What about minus 3 and minus 4? As you can see on the number line, we are arranging these numbers in decreasing order. So I will say minus 4 is less than minus 3. I hope this concept is clear to you. How will you compare the integers? Now, question is, which number is right of the other on the number line? For that, you have to draw number line. We have. Now, first question arises, what about 0 and minus 1? 0 and minus 1. Which number is right of the other? So, I think 0 is right of minus 1. Next question is, what about 1 and minus 100? As you can suppose, minus 100 would be of course on this side, negative integer side. You can assume minus 100 will be on which side of 0? As I told you, minus negative integers would be on left side of 0. So minus 100 would be on left. And 1 is positive integers, you can see here. So you know about increasing and decreasing order also. But now question is, which number is right of the other? Minus 100 would be on this side, negative side. So you will say 1 is at right of minus 100. As you can see positive numbers on this line, you can observe all these positive integers are always right of negative numbers. These are negative integers. These are positive ones on right hand side. So always positive integers would be on right of negative integers. So I am writing 1 is at right of minus 100. Next question is, you have to compare minus 3 and minus 8. Which one is right of the other? Minus 3 you can see on the number line. Minus 8 would be on left side of minus 3. Means minus 3 is at right of minus 8. Why I am writing? Because we know negative integers we always write in decreasing order. Now we are thinking something. What is that? Is there any confusion? We are thinking about positive integer and negative integer. When to use plus sign and when to use minus sign. As I was telling you, when aeroplane is above the sea level, then you will put plus sign with a number. But if submarine is below the sea level, then you will put minus sign. Same is the case with others also. As you can see in the table, as I'm talking about the distance. When you are talking about distance in forward direction, you are moving forward, then you will take it as plus sign. And when you are moving backward, you will take it as negative sign. Temperature, we have discussed in the previous slides. Now, what about profit or loss? Suppose you are getting 50 rupees profit after selling an item. Then you have gain. Then you have gain means you have a number with plus sign. But if you have loss, then how will you represent that number? With negative. So you have this table, you have to move accordingly. Similarly for deposit and withdrawal, if you are depositing money, means you are increasing money in the bank account. So you will put plus sign. You are adding something in your account. But if you are taking out that money, means you are withdrawing that money. Withdrawal means taking out. You are taking out the money means you are subtracting money from the bank account. So you will put minus sign with withdrawal money. And for deposit money, you will put plus sign. As you can see in this example, suppose you are depositing 200 rupees in the bank. Then of course you will put rupees plus 200. I think it is clear to you. Let's take one more example. Yes, 100 meter above sea level. As I was talking about sea level I always take as reference point as 0. So I am above sea level means I will talk about positive number. Next example is suppose I got loss of rupees 700. So I will put minus sign. So it would be minus 700. I hope you have understood about positive integers and negative integers. Thank you. Have a nice day.